Hey guys, and welcome back, and I'm happy to announce the Matt Aspland 1 year anniversary game jam. It will be taking place from Friday the 16th of April 2021 at 1 PM BST for 2 weeks until Friday the 30th of April 2021 at 7 PM BST. You can however join it and wait for it to start now following the link in the description down below. The theme will be announced at 1 PM BST on the game jam page on itch.io and on my YouTube channel right here, as well as in my Discord server. So there is a link to my Discord server in the description down below, which is helpful if you need help with something, you want to interact with everyone, find team members, or you just want updates. And at the end, there will be a period of 3 days where you and others can play each other's games, and then more importantly, rate them. The winners will be featured in this special video, and I'll be playing all the games I can live on stream right here on my YouTube channel. There will also be a category for my favourite game in the jam. There is much more info on the itch.io page for this, so check the description down below for helpful links, and I hope to see you there, for you to join me, and for you to most importantly have some fun.